video, we'll take a look at what is a hook in golf, and we'll break it down in its history. A hook is a shot in golf where the ball sharply turns right to left in the air for right-handed golfers. It is often right of the target and blends bad fundamentals and sometimes ends across in trees, roughs, or in trouble areas. A hook usually is caused by a closed club face at impact, an inside and out swinging path, and excessive side spin on the ball. Hooks are most common for drivers, long irons, and golfers who swing aggressively and flip their hands at impact. I am definitely a hook golfer at some points. I need to do a little bit better. A hook is often comes from a grip being too strong and hands crossing over too much through impact. Trying to hit the ball too hard is sometimes a term, and poor timing with body and hands can also result in a hook. Where did the term come from? Well, the 19th century golf, especially in Britain, the verb hook was a curve, bend, or sharp turn. Early golfers described a hook back on some of their shots, and the term eventually was illustrated in slice, pull, and push early in golf books. Nonetheless, a hook is a sharp, uncontrollable curve, while a draw is a smooth, controlled curve. A big difference. Nonetheless, a hook is a bad thing and results in many professionals trying to hit a draw where they could potentially hit a hook on their shot. If you were to break it down to just a bottom line, one sentence, a hook is a shot that curves sharply due to a closed club face and an inside and out swing plane. The term comes from early golf language describing how a ball hooks across from one side to another in the target line instead of flying straight. That's going to do it for this video. Hopefully it brings you one step closer to understanding what is a hook in golf and how to prevent it and get you closer to a draw. I know I learned a little bit on this one as well because a hook is probably my most common missed shot on a golf course, especially with a driver at some points. That's going to do it for our video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come as we consistently try to find the best golf content here with the Parfessor.